What we have done is in the last 2-3 years आम्ही बरे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट्स हाडून ताजेर खूब काम करून आणि आमचे जे रेव्हेन्यू जनरेशन आसा ते वी हॅव इन्क्रीज ऑन आवर ओन. In the last 1 year, I'm happy to say that our own tax revenue, म्हणजे जे for example state GST असता, excise असता, stamps and registration असता, that from 37,000 crores जे पहिल्या वर्सा आशिल्ले, this year we collected 58,000 crores. And as per Ministry of Finance data, this is number 3 in all of India. So आमका खात्री आसा की we will do a good job as the next few years of Aam Aadmi Party government comes in India. In पंजाब सॉरी. आता जसे सांगले ह्या स्किमीक आम्ही एप्रिलाच्या फायनान्शियल इयर जो सुरू जाता we will be allocating 2,500 crores for this scheme. So this is a quite a significant amount and you can compare it to Ayushman Bharat. Ayushman Bharataचा allocation आता 8,500 कोटी, but that is for all of India. So 8,500 कोटी for 140 crore people of India आणि 2,500 crores for only 3 crore people of Punjab.